There were two wells in the desert. One well everyone knew about. It sat in the center of the village, crowded, busy, constant. The other well, few knew existed. It was hidden, quiet, still. And there was a water carrier who served the village. Every day they went to the public well, drew water, carried it to those who needed it. And the people always needed more. More water, more service, more giving. So the water carrier kept drawing, kept carrying, kept serving, until one day they went to the well and found it empty, dry, depleted, nothing left. But the people still came, still demanded, still expected. So the water carrier tried to serve from an empty bucket, and it broke them. Exhausted, they collapsed in the sand. And that's when they heard it, the sound of water, faint, distant, but unmistakable. They followed the sound to the edge of the village, to a place no one went, and there it was, the second well, hidden, quiet, full. The water carrier fell to their knees and drank, deeply, fully. And for the first time in years they felt whole. "Why didn't I know about this well?" they asked. And the voice answered, "Because you were too busy serving from the empty one to find the full one." "But the people need me," they protested. "Yes," the voice said gently, "but you can't pour from an empty cup, so drink first, then serve." And so the water carrier did. Every morning they went to the hidden well, drank deeply, refilled their cup. Then they went to serve the village, not from depletion, from overflow. Because you can't give what you don't have, beloved. You can't pour from empty. So find your hidden well, the place where you are refilled. And drink there first, then serve from what overflows. You can't pour from an empty cup. Refill in secret, then serve from overflow.